and when you have this kind of curves, so you can move it as you want to model your waist, maybe something like this, and like this. Imagine that is the belt that you wanna create,
Mm.
and with this shape finished here on the panel, you've got the extrude button, and with that you can add a mesh to the curve that you have done. So here is a basic mesh, but you can add a specific object to it. Like if you imagine you add a little circle, and with this circle made it with the shape that you want, you can modify it
Yeah, it's a bit of
as you
Twitch
want to have the
inception.
shape of the belt around the waist. And then you will be able to use that shape to do this this shape.
Yeah, it's a bit of Twitch inception.
Yeah, Twitch Inception, that's it. And then you will be able to use that shape to
Okay. Yeah, we'll try that out, and that looks nice. Thank you. And maybe that way I can also fix my my other problems I have. Okay. Yep. Let's get rid of the rig, the female, and let's get rid of that. Yesterday I created belt. Oh, I need to mute that again. But here, this I created with extrudes and moving them around, which was kind of annoying. Then I subdivided the whole mesh, that it looks a bit better. Yes, I muted your sound in the background because I wanted to go on and try the thing you showed me out here. Oh, the knot was a pain. I really hated that knot. It's creating the extrudes on the right surfaces and then navigating around that was really annoying to me. But I like the end result. So, and that's what matters, I would say. The angle might not be right, and we have distortion in the width of the belt. It's not the same width all around, which would definitely be better with some curves, but it's okay. The only problem with that belt is that it will not work with the top, because I fitted it to the undergarment, so I need something else for the top. And wait, did you see the pants that I created? Not sure if you've seen them. Not really. Because yeah, maybe I could resize it a bit, but I'm not sure if it will fit correctly. I cheated a lot. I had that female character here and just took the faces and copied them over, and then just pushed vertices around, basically. If I go to the undergarment, you can see the parts of it I didn't even touch. I only did something for the sleeves here, and then the inside a bit. No, the next thing I want to do is the sash, and yes, then boots, definitely. Okay, let's have a look at that. But tutorials and stuff like that I usually watch offline, and because I try to avoid the kind of inception and the another person talking on my stream. That's something I try to avoid for most cases. Oh yeah, that's something I need to do at some point. Once I'm finished with the game I'm working at the moment, then I'm going on to spaceships and interior corridors and stuff like that. All from scratch. But that's a long time to go. And also a different engine. I started in Unreal as a project for that, but put it on ice for the moment. Yes, the the space elves with it will be in there. It's learning Unity is, there are good resources for that. Let me go through my list here. Somewhere in here we have the Unity tutorial. It's here. If you go to unity3d.com, you can land here. It's a landing page, and if you click on Learn, you are in the Learn section, and here you can go to documentation, live training, or whatever. And if you go to tutorials, you have for 3D stuff, I would go with this, and here you learn the basics of using Unity and building a small game in it. And the same for 2D stuff. Here was the 2D UFO tutorial. And then if you go to the rest of the tutorials, you'll learn the rest, basically. These are games, the mini projects, and this is also a game, but it's a bit more advanced because you do procedure generation, and this is just cave generation for top-down games. But it's quite advanced. I wouldn't start there. It's mostly programming. But the thing is, you need to do a bit of programming in all of that. You can't do visual scripting like in Unreal. You have to write code in Unity. But most of the tutorials here teach you what you need to do, what all the different lines mean and stuff like that. So it's quite easy to learn that if you follow through the tutorials. And after the tutorial, you can play around with it, try other things. The same is available for Unreal, but and there I would say it's easier for non-programmers because you can use the visual scripting stuff, even though you still need to kind of know how you need to have an understanding of logic to combine a few things and to create branches and stuff like that. But they have a similar selection there. I'm not quite sure if I have a link here. I don't think I have it open anymore. Okay, yeah, then you should be fine. Yep. Yeah, but like I said, the thing is, the tutorials are aimed for beginners, and they walk you through all the scripts they're using and explain it really, really nicely for a lot of people. So it should be fine. Oh yeah, shoes. Need to add these for later. Add them to my okay, I can't even read the first letter in some of these. Yay! Do I have too many tabs open? No.